right, so we got tons of bananas, we got some plant milk, we got some protein powder, and a blender. And today I'm gonna show you my favorite vegan dessert. I love ending my days with something sweet, and there's nothing better than having a guilt-free dessert, and that can be nice cream or some kind of smoothie. Nice cream is essentially ice cream made from frozen bananas. And the reason it's called nice cream is because it's nice to animals and we're not using dairy. So first I want to show you some amazing ice cream, and then I'm going to show you my favorite smoothie recipe. Okay, so I love buying lots of bananas at a time, and once they start getting speckled, that's when I will peel them, I'll chop them up, and I'll put them into a Pyrex container like this, and then throw into the freezer. That way I can have tons of frozen bananas whenever I want, throw them in to make nice cream or make smoothies. We actually just moved, so I don't have any speckled bananas right now. I just bought these new ones at the grocery store, but I also found frozen bananas. So we're gonna go ahead and use this bag of frozen bananas for our nice cream. So the awesome thing about nice cream is that you can basically make whatever consistency you want. I like mine being a little bit thicker so I can use a spoon and eat it pretty much just like regular ice cream. So right now that's a little over 6 cups or about 1,500 milliliters. And then all we wanna do is add some plant milk. I love using soy milk because it's a little thicker, it's a little creamier, and it gives it a better consistency in my opinion. So notice I didn't put too much liquid in, I just kind of eyeball it, and I want it to be thicker, so we're gonna go ahead and test this out, and if we need to add some milk to thin it up a little bit, we can always do that. Our Vitamix has a nice ice cream setting, so this is our nice cream setting that we are gonna use. Oh, I almost forgot, I need the little stirring thing to make sure that I can mash up the Vitamix. That's whatever plunger they gave me from Vitamix. So let's use that. All right, you get a little extra on the top. All right, check out that consistency. It is really nice. And it's just kind of like ice cream. That's good. All right, now keep in mind, we only have 2 ingredients in here right now. We have bananas and some soy milk. Super healthy, really nutritious. And now I always love adding some protein powder. So we're going to go ahead and flavor it with this peanut butter cookie protein powder. So you could seriously just eat it as is, but as I said, I want to add some protein powder. This adds some really nice extra flavor, and it also obviously adds protein as well. So I could have obviously thrown this in the blender as well, but it's pretty easy to mix up in the bowl. Either way works. So I put a full scoop of protein powder in this nice cream, so that's adding 20 grams of protein into this bowl, which is a really great nutritious dessert. So I love having this at the end of the day because it's totally guilt-free, because I really love the taste of vegan ice cream, but instead of having that, I'm making a healthier choice. You can also top this dish with other fruit. I love using fresh blueberries and throwing those on top. I don't currently have any fresh blueberries, but I can just throw some mango chunks on there. All right, so that's how you make really delicious and nutritious nice cream. Now I want to show you my healthy version of a pina colada. All right, this healthy alcohol-free pina colada is my current go-to smoothie recipe. So we've got a few main ingredients. We've got our mango chunks, we have some pineapple, some plant milk, and we also have this True Nutrition toasted coconut protein powder, which really gives it a really nice coconut taste. So let's jump in. We're going to start by adding a mango chunk base. So this is frozen mango. We also have frozen pineapple. And I like to fill it up about 2/3 of the way. That makes a lot of smoothie. I make over half a gallon of this, usually at a time. But no, fruit does not make you fat. It doesn't matter if you're trying to lose weight or whatever. You just need to keep your calories in check. Fruit is totally fine to be including in your nutrition plan. And then we're gonna add some pineapple. So I'd probably add this in about a 3-to-1 ratio of mango to frozen pineapple. You can really change this ratio however you want. If you really like pineapple, then you can add more of that than mango, but this is the ratio that I prefer. Now I'm gonna fill it up to the top of the frozen fruit with filtered water. All right, so now pretty much all of our frozen fruit is submerged in water, and the trick is to add a little bit of soy milk to give it a really nice creamy texture. You could just fill up the whole thing with soy milk instead of using water, and that will make it creamier, but it's also going to increase the calories. If that's something you want to do, go right ahead. Okay, and now for the really special ingredient, we have the toasted coconut pea protein from True Nutrition. It's just a perfect complement to this recipe. Each scoop of powder is 25 grams of protein. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 scoops. So I know that 75 grams of protein in the shake is a heck of a lot, but you can split it up, or you could just decide to use less protein. All right, my Vitamix was super excited to make this smoothie. That has not happened before. Let's try that again. I think I didn't get it completely on the base right, and I think that's why it started flying everywhere. But anyways, got our smoothie all together. Now it's time for a taste test. All right, so that's my recipe to make a healthy, alcohol-free, protein-packed pina colada. Super delicious and guilt-free. So these are 2 vegan desserts that you can truly eat every single day along your health and fitness journey, and know that you are still on your path to accomplishing our goals. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.